Alrighty, I'm still going to keep this video in as an inspection video, but it actually was a service call. This particular facility is a flour mill, and they're responsible for manufacturing a lot of flour. And the problem they're having is they had these wheelock single stroke bells that were not working, and we were sent there to figure out why. Now, the problem ended up being a combination of one bell just being bad, and the rest of the bells were just being fed continuous power. And the problem with that is they're single stroke. So when they get their continuous power, they'll ring one time and then not ring anymore. So when the person was inspecting the system last, they wrote them up as defective because by the time they got to them, they were no longer ringing. But yeah, we found that if we switch the coding to temporal 3, we can get them to ring. And we also ended up having to replace the power supply because it was not working as it should. It was defective. So with a new power supply and running temporal 3, the system should be working. We also had to replace the bad bell as well. And these wheelock bells, funnily enough, are not that cheap. They're probably about $3,000 per bell, which is pretty wild to think about. But yeah, there's some more info for you.
That's not an explosion-proof one, no. Okay. Go check real quick. God, this is sketchy as hell. I actually hate this so much. Dude, I hate this. This is horrible. Holy sh**. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm kind of like doing a bit of breathing right now. This is a little not pleasant. Call me a bitch all you want, but big ass spiral staircase isn't pleasant.